Deep in the heart of a magical forest, where the trees shimmer with sunlight and the air is filled with the songs of birds, lived three best friends: Lola, the clever fox, Benji, the gentle bear, and Mia, the adventurous rabbit. Every day, the forest was alive with joy, the river flowing smoothly, and the animals playing together. But one morning, something was wrong. The birds weren't singing, the river wasn't flowing, and the once lively forest seemed quiet. Too quiet. Lola gasped.
The river, it's gone.
Benji scratched his head.
How could it disappear?
Mia, ever the curious one, was already bouncing ahead to investigate.
Let's find out. Come on, friends.
Lola, Benji, and Mia begin to investigate why the river dried up. Lola leads the way, following the riverbed, while Benji carefully checks the surroundings for any signs of trouble. Mia hops ahead, eagerly searching for clues.
Look, I found something up ahead.
As the friends continue walking along the dry riverbed, Benji suddenly stops and points excitedly at something up ahead.
It's a big rock blocking the water.
Lola and Mia looks up at the rock in surprise, while Benji, with his strong bear paws, gets ready to help. Benji steps forward, flexing his muscles and placing his big bear paws on the rock. He says confidently,
Don't worry, I'll move it.
Lola and Mia watch with anticipation as Benji pushes with all his might.
We can do this together.
Mia exclaims. The three friends prepare to work together to move the large stone out of the way. Lola, Benji, and Mia stand side by side, ready to work together. Benji places his paws firmly on the rock. Mia pushes with all her might, and Lola digs her paws into the ground. The rock begins to move slowly, inch by inch, until finally, with one big heave, they push it out of the way. The water rushes back into the river, and the forest comes alive once more. With one final push, the rock rolls away, and the river comes rushing back to life. The sound of flowing water fills the forest, and the trees and flowers seem to brighten up immediately. The animals cheer with excitement as the river sparkles in the sunlight. Lola says proudly,
We did it.
The forest is alive once more, with the river flowing and animals gathering around to enjoy the fresh water. Lola, Benji, and Mia sit by the riverbank, watching as the forest creatures come to drink and play.
We work together and now it's done. Look at the river, watch it run. With friends by your side, there's nothing to fear. You'll always help each other, year after year. Dance and sing, we're full of cheer. The water's back, the sky is clear. Hand in hand, we're a perfect crew. Together there's nothing we can't do. Through the forest, through the trees, we face the challenge with such ease. Teamwork's the way, it shows us how. With every step, we're stronger now. Dance and sing, we're full of cheer. The water's back, the sky is clear. Hand in hand, we're a perfect crew. Together there's nothing we can't do. We laugh, we play, we're feeling bright. With friends like you, it feels so right. So let's dance now, with joy so true. The magic's in me, and it's in you. Dance and sing, we're full of cheer. The water's back, the sky is clear. Hand in hand, we're a perfect crew. Together there's nothing we can't do. We work together, and now it's done. Look at the river, watch it run. With friends by your side, there's nothing to fear. We'll always help each other, year after year. Dance and sing, we're full of cheer. The water's back, the sky is clear. Hand in hand, we're a perfect crew. Together there's nothing we can't do. people forgive me, somehow start to sky. One nice look I had to cast me when I go the spun, wheeling my mans with knowing to earn, to see that this night sky out of me, with is in time, with is in free. We had my land and let's away, with him and dies and made my cray. Let I line from the dark to sky, made me cern, so you made me side. We make me side, make me side.